So how do you get DaVinci Resolve 19? Well, go to blackmagicdesign.com, go to products, and then go to DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software. Here you have two options: DaVinci Resolve free version, which will give you all the options that you need if you're a YouTuber, if you're a casual editor, or if you want to make something for your local neighborhood. And then we've got the Resolve Studio version packed with features. Now, mind you, it's $295, but it's a one-time purchase, which will give you lifetime upgrades. Now, if you want a Resolve Speed Editor, which is collecting dust in my cabinet, well, you can then pay $395 because that will give you studio included. Right, we're going to go for free. We're going to click it. It's going to show you all these amazing things and features that it has. And we can click free download now. That will give you a pop-up, the DaVinci Resolve 19 public beta. We've got the Resolve Studio public beta, and then we've got the stable versions 18.6 and 18.6 for the studio version. We want to work with the latest one, so DaVinci Resolve 19 public beta. We're going to click Windows or Mac OS or Linux or Windows ARM, so Windows, and it's going to give you this pop-up. Now you need to fill in all of these details. It can be just random details. You don't really have to fill this in. You can just leave it like so. And then you can click the register and download button, and that will start the download. Just unpack the folder that you've downloaded it, and then install it in a designated folder, and you're good to go.